Hey, check out this spot, guys, ladies, gentlemen. It's kind of spooky out here. Like, I like flying here, but this place is creepy when you're by yourself. It's like so quiet, and the fact that a pack of coyotes basically, you know, came out and walking by me like 10 feet from me when I was coming out of here last summer. So, but check it out. You got this, all this shit, right? Pretty cool, huh? And then the building there, and then you got this parking lot here with all the heavy equipment. And then of course you got the quarry, which is where all the damn coyotes probably live, right up on that ridge line. They probably hang out all up that shit, you know. And the quarries, well, that's a high ass drop down to some water, but pretty sick, right? It's enormous. This place has been there for so many years. Crows hang out here, big pack of crows and coyotes, so it's kind of creepy, and it's quiet as hell out here when you're by yourself. And after I fly the drones, you'll hear all the wildlife out here just bugging the fuck out. They go crazy. So, but yeah, it's a little nuts. This place creeps me out. So I'm gonna fly and probably try to get out of here, because look, it doesn't look like it's gonna stay dry for long, right? Like, looks pretty cloudy out. So all right, so I'm gonna fly a couple packs now. See you in the next one. All right, peace. Oh, you don't want. All right, so we got a couple more packs left. I'm back up out of the quarry at the top, and I figured I'll fly a parking lot, I guess, of this place. That would be cool before I leave. All right. Damn, this Vanny plug is very loose, but that's all right. All right, so yeah, we'll fly around this place, which has got a bunch of equipment, shit like that. Looks, you know, it's not as fancy as the quarry and all the sand pit belts and all that, but it's still a cool little spot. And I don't feel like discharging batteries tonight, so why not fly, right? Oh shit. The Vanny's flying absolutely amazing, and I am more than ecstatic to have a Vanny, one of my Vannies in the air again. The Vanny is by far my favorite frame, so I absolutely love this frame, the way it handles. Oh, there's the quarry. There it is. I was wondering where the quarry was that we used to swim on when we were kids. Swim at, and that is it. God, these are 2150 kV, 2050 kV deep space ether motors, and I'm going to say it right now, I believe this is going to be my new favorite motor. They're absolutely perfect. The responsiveness of them is amazing. Let's see how far 04 can go. I got a little jitter right there. Are we in? I don't know if I'm in race mode or regular mode. These SMC batteries, absolutely fucking amazing. So yeah, I think it would fuck around in this parking lot a little bit, right? With these. So that's the quarry I used to swim in. Okay. used to take this path over here, right? It's right here. Right here. So this is the path we used to take to get in there, right? That's pretty cool. We love going on with kids.
It's all about the good times that you always reminisce. The good times in the past, happy on your side. You know you get through it if your friends they have your back. It's all about your friends. It's all about your friends. Through ups and downs, times you made a pride. You know you'll be fine if you always keep around.
Battery's still reading 22 volts, even though the timer's counting down. These fucking packs. The other batteries, any other battery, Tattoo, GMB, all of those, the pack would have been dead. So pretty fucking crazy, these batteries. 22 volts right now. Hasn't gone down a bit. It went from 24 to 22. But that's about it. But I've been bringing... God, the Vanny is something else. One more pop up to see the Quarry again, right? And now she's at 21, 22 again. She bounces right back from 21 to 22. I'm gonna bring it in because I fucking absolutely love these packs. Whoa, and I don't want to fuck them up. Oh, we don't want to trim the grass. Jeez. But anyways, these... So, 1 minute and 26 past the timer, which is... minute and 26. Okay, so the time is 3:20. She's telling me I just flew this for 4 minutes and 46 seconds. And I was flying this thing like normal, right? Like pretty aggressive, flying around, like, and let's see what the voltage is at. The last time I got home and I popped it on the charger, it was still had like 35% battery left. Fuck. Damn mosquitoes are coming out, little fuckers. Oh, that's on the whatever the fuck high voltage there. And so we are at fuck, 11%, 22.1 volts it's saying. So 11%. So not bad. And the pack does not sag at all, as you saw, like right down to the last bit of juice. The pack has full power all the time. It doesn't sag. Absolutely amazing. Fuck that. If you looking for batteries, you need batteries, fuck that. Get the SMCs. Don't buy too many of them because I want to get some wood. Sounds different over here. Let's go.
It sounds like a waterfall.
It does. Let's go see over here. Guys, we just noticed this weird ass sound. You hear it?
Huh?
Oh, I got my camera recording. I'm saying, we just noticed this weird ass sound over here. And we're just gonna go check it out, but. Oh yeah, baby, you're right. It's fucking water. It's coming into the. Yeah, it's actually, it legit sounds like a waterfall, hon. Huh. Oh yeah, it's got to be this corner here where it looks pretty wet. Or maybe it's a spring and it's coming up out of the ground. But it's definitely, oh there it is, baby, yep. Look, it's dripping off the side of the cliff. Look at, girl, it's a waterfall. You want some fresh water? There you go. This place is huge, right, babe? Just to walk over here from the bag is like, holy shit. That's cool. Look at that, guys, huh? It's the waterfall. Who wants fresh water? That's pretty cool. It sounds cool, right? Wow, that's nice.
Yeah, please try to get up there so she can go get some water.
Wonder where it's all coming from.
I don't know. It's gotta be like a Quarry thing.
It's got to be like a natural spring or some shit coming up out of the ground up there or something. Yeah. They purposely route this water probably somewhere. It probably goes into the fucking pond over there, or whatever you want to call it, the quarry. That's a lot of water though. It's pretty crazy. Where the fuck's it all coming from? Oh yeah, okay, it is. It's a spring. Look, babe, because there's no water on top, see? It's coming out of that lower section right there, see? Yeah. So it's literally coming out of the stone. Because it's not on the top part. It's coming out of literally coming out of the stone right there. I can see it. See it where it's flowing at hardest right there. And shit. That's pretty cool. It's literally coming out of this side here. It looks a little high, girl.
She would.
Yeah, she's nuts.
She'd figure it out.
I swear, that's why I was worried about the road. It was not because of Joe in Boston more. I was worried about her. She might see the quarry and think she can jump off into the water from the fucking top.
You know what she'd probably would?
What?
Yeah, we come down and we come down and
She'd be in the water swimming.
yeah, she'd be out here running around.
Yeah.
Back out.
Yeah, or she'd just be like playing in the water. Like she'd come down, she'd run around. No.